Stopped up my story. Come through the desert. Yep. And then we go back.
We arrived. You okay, my love? My love? You okay? We just got out of the airport. We are now in Jordan. And it's freezing. It's 4 degrees. Whew.
Tomorrow is -1 apparently.
Oh, good luck to us. We need a good shower. We've been traveling for 26 hours. We can probably finally get rid of this mask. They don't have any confirmed case of coronavirus in here.
I got searched twice, Cat didn't get searched. Like, you can go, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You can go. Don't worry about it.
The next time, I want to load up her suitcase.
We go back to you when we get to the hotel. we're still waiting for our room to be ready. It's like, what time is it? 6 o'clock in the morning, something like that. So our room is not yet ready. My hair is crazy. We haven't had a shower. I need shower. I need to brush my teeth, and we are hungry. Jose just wanted to have coffee. Guess what we're having? We said coffee. We got all sorts of food. I think I know why. They said we're gonna get fat when we got here. Let's enjoy breakfast. Before I use the toilet, we need to do a room tour. Quick one. Alright. This is the entrance door. We've got a mini peephole there, and then a lock. Key. And then on the right is a toilet. We need to tour the toilet now so he can use it. Got this here. Got a freebie. Toilet, and then shower.
Do you know what I've never had in a room before?
What?
A button to have the light. Please clean the room or don't disturb.
Oh. We used to have the hanging thing on the door, eh?
Yeah, it's stupid.
Alright, you use the toilet. I'm gonna finish this. Our luggage is still there. We have a mini kitchen here to have a mini cooking if you don't want to eat out. So, what do we have here? Nothing. 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 And a fridge. Sit on. It is. Now we got a drawer up here. Nothing. I don't know how we're gonna cook if there's nothing in here. Nothing. The sink. And then the bin. We have another door here. I think it's for a connecting room, so it is for the other room, but it's locked, so it's great. And we have a mini living room. We got a couch, telephone, painting, view outside, and the TV. Now in the room, this is the room. It's very pretty, small, very nice. It's like for anyone who is, what do you call it, minimalist. For anyone who's minimalist, this is very ideal. Hello guys. All right, we have more mirrors, probably for our OTDs, and we can put our stuff in here if we don't want them to get all crinkly. Safe. Why is my video quality looking so crap? But yeah, might be better if we turn on the light. Not really. But yeah, that is our room here in Amman. We will be staying here for 6 days, and I better settle in now and fix our stuff. So we will get back to you. We are going out today. So yeah, as I was saying, we are gonna go out after we start settling in. I'm gonna just charge my phone quickly so that we have clips for when we go outside, and then we are gonna go to some ruins and have a lot of photos and videos for the vlog. Right, we'll get back to you. Bye.